Nagpal Superspeciality Hospital will proudly unveil the CORI robot, a cutting-edge advancement in knee replacement technology. Under the expertise of Dr. Parampreet Singh Nagpal, this state-of-the-art robotic system represents a significant milestone in joint replacement surgery. The CORI robot, leveraging Smith & Nephew's pioneering technology, integrates real intelligence by combining artificial intelligence with the experience of skilled surgeons. This innovative approach ensures precise and personalized knee replacement procedures, improving surgical outcomes and reducing recovery times. Nagpal Superspeciality Hospital is now the only center in North India to offer this advanced robotic technology. Complementing its existing robotic surgery capabilities, the CORI robot enhances accuracy, optimizes knee alignment, and supports the use of long-lasting implants, such as oxinium knees that can endure for 30 to 35 years. Dr. Nagpal emphasizes that this advancement is a testament to the hospital's commitment to providing the highest standards of care, ensuring that patients experience pain-free mobility and a swift return to their active lifestyles.